Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing power and connection. Turn the speaker on. Make sure its battery isn't critically low so volume behaves predictably. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and set it to discoverable. This is how devices exchange controls. Once paired, glance at the speaker's indicator to confirm connection. Make sure to place the speaker near you, within about 10 meters, with no thick walls between devices. This reduces dropouts and keeps volume responsive. Now you pair and control levels. In the Bluetooth menu, tap the speaker name, wait for the paired confirmation sound. Then set the source device volume to a mid-high level. This prevents distortion when you raise the speaker. Use the speaker's physical plus and buttons for coarse changes. For finer control or equalizer tweaks, open the speaker's companion app if available. If stereo pairing or multi-room is active, adjust each speaker individually so balance remains consistent. Finish by testing and securing your settings. Play a track and sweep volume from low to high. Listen for distortion and back off if you hear clipping. This protects speakers. If volume is stuck or audio cuts, unpair and repair the device or reboot the speaker. That often clears glitches. Make sure codecs and battery level are adequate and keep Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth devices away to reduce interference. If problems persist, a factory reset usually restores normal control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.